Hello guys, and welcome to Python tutorial of a text to speech. So let me show you guys how this works. Right there I have Happy New Year,
Happy New Year.
and let's assume I add something to it.
Happy New Year, 2026.
See that guys? That's how it works. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to exit out and we'll start a new project entirely. First of all, we have to import the following. So I'm going to import a Tkinter because this is going to be a graphical user interface. So let's import Tkinter and we take it from there. Okay, import Tkinter as TK there. Next, I'm going to have to import the library that I will actually use to get the system to speak up. So the library is called pyttsx3. Okay, that's X. And that's 3. pyttsx. So now that is taken care of, next I'm going to initialize the speech engine itself. So let's just call that engine. That will be equals, and we'll just get it to initialize dot initialize. There we go. Once that is taken care of, the next thing is I'm going to create let's create the main window. So the main window, I'm going to call that root, and that is going to be equals tk dot tk there. Then I will also create a title for it, root.title. And the title I'll just call that text to speech. There we go. That's going to be the title. Next, I'm going to define the geometry. So that's my geometry, and I've also added my background color that I want. All right. Next, let me create the component that I need for this. So the widget. So I'm going to start by, first of all, let me just run it first. Just say root.main loop. Okay. I will have to use that to get this to run the system. Now, just add a text. So I'm going to call that txt entry. That will be equals tk dot text. That is the object that I intend to use. And this object is going to be a child of the root, comma, and I'm going to now add, say, wrap, and that is going to be equals word. Next is going to be the width, and that's going to be equals, I'm going to make the width about 200, and the height, I will make that, let's go for 20. That's 20. Then I'm going to enter my font. I might as well make this font bold. There we go. Close that up. Now I'm going to round this up. Right down here, paste. And let's get it padded. Then I will also enter a padding of about 10 horizontally and add vertical padding of about 10 as well. Close that off. That's taken care of. That's the text widget. Next, I'm going to create one for the button. So let's come down here. I'm just going to call that. Let's go for btn speech or speak. Okay. btn speak, that is going to be equals tk dot button, which is the widget, and this widget is going to be a child of the root, comma. Then the text on it, I'm going to just enter speak for the test. There we go. Okay, next I'm going to enter the height and the width. There is this. Let's copy this and paste that in here. And here I'm going to make that 20. Well, make this. Let's go for 2. There. And close this off. I'm going to then run that up. Right down here, paste. And let's get it padded as well. The padding, I'm going to make that maybe about 10 vertical. So get rid of that. Okay, let me save this and I'll run it. Then we take it from there. Save as. So let's just call that text to speech and save that. There. So let's run it just to find out if there's any error or whatever. There we go. Look at that. That is fine. Okay, looking good so far. Next, I now have to, and I want to create my function. So this function will be what I will use just to get the system to actually read whatever we have on the system. So let's come up here. I'm going to add my function right up here. So let's say as the function, I will call that speak up. Function speak up underscore speak up. Okay, so we'll just call that speak up and enter a variable that I'll call text. This text is to actually read whatever we have inside this txt entry. So read whatever we have in there, but you have to get it first and grab it from the beginning, which is 1.0. Okay, comma up to the end. So we say tk dot end. Close that dot strip. All right, that is fine. Next, let's use an if statement. If text. If text is the game engine, so I want you just to say something out. So game engine dot say. And what are we saying? Whatever we have inside the text. Okay. Now, for you to then read everything out for me, I'm going to say engine dot run and wait. And wait. There we go. All right, the function is taken care of. So for us to be able to determine if this is working, I have to call this function here. So I'm going to come right down here. You see where we have the button. So I'm going to put a comma in there. So we just say command equals speak up. Okay. So I'm going to then save and run. Enter some value in there or whatever. So let's say hello. A text to speech app. So let's see if that's going to work. All right, I do have an error. Let's check. What was my error about? So let's come in here. I do have my parentheses. Okay, I think this is my error. That was meant to be uppercase W. Yeah. Hopefully, I think I'm done with that. So let's run it again and see. It seems to be it is case sensitive. Say hello. I am a text to speech app.
Hello, I am a text to speech app.
Thank you. See that, guys? That is how you create your own text-to-speech in Python. Have a good look at the lines of code, guys. And I'm calling the end of this brilliant tutorial. Suppose you guys enjoy it, and please do subscribe to my channel, and you can also join to become a member of this channel. You all have a nice day now, and bye for now.